Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we are diving into the home of Bitcoin DeFi, a hybrid layer 2 that combines the best of Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's a campaign on their layer 3 launchpad. As we go in here, there are quite a few quests, and if you go to their homepage, you can access it easier in the news section and scrolling down and clicking on one of these. Go to the BOB community and you'll be able to see it much easier. Or actually, I'll put the link in for this, but the BOB Launchpad, it is on for a month from March 4th to April 1st. Eligibility rules, there is 750K in OP that they will be giving out to eligible users. So if you're excited and want to know more, please jump in our Discord. Link is down below. Get in here, connect with us, go to the welcome tab. You'll be asked a few questions. Just answer those, submit, and go to the rules and guidelines. Click the thumbs up, and you will have access to these amazing channels full of alpha and airdrops and wonderful, wonderful people. So I appreciate you all so much. And yeah, check me out on X at the BCR142. Coming at you. Whoa, zoomed in way too much. I can share a lot of stuff on here a lot faster than I can on YouTube, so check me out. I also post shorter form stuff on here as well. Union, I did Fraction AI, so check me out on X. Also, me and Veteran Crypto do a live stream every Monday on his channel, Veteran Crypto on YouTube. We do DeFi, crypto, and airdrops, so check us out every Monday, 5 p.m. Pacific time, 8 p.m. Eastern time. So there we go, BOB. So bringing the best of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's check out, actually, we'll start here. So welcome. BOB build on Bitcoin is what it is. So BOB is a unique hybrid layer 2 that combines Bitcoin security with EVM smart contracts. By putting Bitcoin at the center of DeFi, BOB unlocks new use cases, liquidity, and empowers builders, making it the ideal home for Bitcoin DeFi. So BOB's hybrid layer 2 is rolling out in 3 phases. Time for a quiz. So which of the following is true about BOB? The hybrid layer 2 combines Bitcoin and Ethereum, putting Bitcoin at the center of DeFi. All of the above. So home of Bitcoin DeFi is BOB. Phase 1 is built on OP Stack, where it's focused on network on the super chain. So it's received a 750,000 OP grant from Superchain Council for BOB users, which BOB users can earn by doing the on-chain tasks in this campaign. So that's your incentive. Phase 2, the layer 2 will add Bitcoin finality and Bitcoin staking. Nodes stake BTC on Bitcoin and verify the BOB chain. So BOB's network fees will help reward Bitcoin stakers. So another use case for staking Bitcoin, creating a cycle where more Bitcoin liquid stake token liquidity leads to higher DeFi activity, and more fees for Babylon Bitcoin stakers, creating a Bitcoin liquidity flywheel for BOB. See, that's the whole thing, man. You want to get rewarded for your Bitcoin being staked, which is the only Bitcoin-focused network on the superchain, BOB. How can users participate in this? Complete the Bitcoin DeFi tasks. How will BOB add Bitcoin security to its hybrid L2, Bitcoin staking? And what gives BOB the edge over Bitcoin scaling networks, flywheel, layer 2, finality, all of the above? So bridge to BOB. It says you need to bridge 20 to make sure you complete the tasks, but any amount of ETH on there will be good. And you can follow them and join the Discord if you want, but I'm not going to. And this is the actual BOB page or the BOB bridge. You could use a third party, but if you wanted to use Bitcoin, I don't really have any Bitcoin like that, so you can bridge over if you'd like. But there you go. Switch to BOB. I don't even know how much I have on BOB. Also, if you need to bridge, go to gas.zip. This is the best place to go. I think the monad faucet is down, but BOB right here, select that, and then whatever chain you want to bridge from. If I want to send base Ethereum, To Bob, I'd select base, send anywhere from $2 to $50. It doesn't have to be 20 or 10. It can be anywhere in between $2 and 50. And your address will pop in here when you connect your wallet and send it on over. And then you'll have ETH on Bob. Still disabled. Ooh, I might want to actually, I'm going to get some gems for this. Yeah. Okay. So now we move on. So Bob is leading BitVM innovation, successfully testing a prototype bridge with co-founder Alexei, co-authoring the BitVM2 research paper. So this BitVM bridge will enable secure, decentralized, and trust-minimized Bitcoin deposits and withdrawals, unlike most other Bitcoin bridges, which rely on trusted multi-signature wallets. For the first time in Bitcoin's history, we finally have a blueprint for a prototype for achieving true Bitcoin DeFi with BitVM or Bit Virtual Machine 2. So the co-author, Alexei, what can Bob's BitVM 2 based bridge bring to Bitcoin DeFi? All of the above. So it introduces hybrid Bitcoin yield products, the first multi-chain Bitcoin yield layer. Users can deposit assets in a managed vault on Bob to seamlessly earn yield from other chains. The first product, hybrid Bitcoin.Pendle, earns yield on Ethereum with future vaults planned for Solana, BNB, Move, Berachain, and more. As Bob rolls out Bitcoin finality and BitVM bridges, in coming months, phase 2, hybrid Bitcoin Pendle will gain added security, enhancing resilience and Bitcoin alignment. Time for a quiz. What is hybrid Bitcoin.Pendle? Yield-bearing asset, seamless way to unlock yield, and powerful Bitcoin DeFi tool, all of the above. Bitcoin remains the most decentralized and trusted network with over 300 million users and $1 trillion market cap. Ooh. However, its role in DeFi has been limited due to its functionality currently, and yeah, the total value lock sits at just 0.3% of Bitcoin's market cap compared to Ethereum's 30%. So you don't have a lot of it locked up. It's just sitting there, barely doing anything. Yeah, it could be earning a lot. So Bob has a vibrant DeFi ecosystem with more than 100 ecosystem partners live on mainnet, ready to make the most of this opportunity. Bitcoin DeFi is a 100x opportunity. Oh, 100 plus. Follow Alexei. Follow Dom Lexi. There we go. Next up, Oku Trade. Oku. You can enjoy Uniswap v3s, concentrated liquidity, multiple fee tiers, and improved capital efficiency via Oku. So swap into wrap Bitcoin from ETH on the Bob network. Damn it, Bobby. Okay. Oku Trade. Sure I'm in the right place. Okay. Let's connect. Big connect. What's the E that? Oh, wrap Bitcoin. We need some wrap Bitcoin. Okay, here it is down here. Change network and then swap. So slippage. Since I'm not doing a lot, I don't need to worry about that. How much ETH do I have? I don't know how much that is. I'll just do, there's no minimum. It says sell some ETH for wrapped Bitcoin. So this is your order block down here. Put in however much Ethereum that you want to sell. Make sure it's Ethereum and not wrapped Ethereum. And you want to sell it for wrapped Bitcoin. I think it did, buddy. Oh, yeah, it filled. I don't know what you tripping on, dog. Yeah, that's interesting. Let's see. I guess so. Oh, okay, so it took it. All right, we can go ahead and close out of that. So now we need to open and complete this quest, Home of Bitcoin DeFi. Let's check this one out. So we completed that. So the DeFi ecosystem has over 100 partners building the OP stack. Gone over this, so I won't bore you too much. And we go through this again, which is nice. I don't know why they make us do that again, but another quest that's, there's a lot of meaningless quests like this. I don't know if you notice, but it's kind of like already repeated, redundant, a duplicate. Yeah, and then now we go back to Oku Trade. That was just weird. Okay, yeah, I don't get it, but whatever. It gives us more XP, more cubes. That's a weird one, but let's go. I don't know how many we'll do, but We might be able to do them all. The GM. So on-chain GM is a good way to interact with each chain daily, because layer 3 does have these streaks where you interact, like GM on Ink. We could do this for that as well and get daily interaction, but we're on Bob right now, so you can go ahead and check that out later. But this is just an easy way to get an interaction. Also, sending tokens to let's say you have a secondary wallet, just send some tokens to that wallet, and that way you get an interaction on whatever chain. Swap on Base, I just send some Ethereum over to another wallet, and that gives me that for the day. But once you tick all these off, you can claim a cube, and it will matter. So there we go. Say GM. It was 6 cents. It does cost a little bit, and we've completed this. So GM, Ink on GM. Yo, let's go. We're going to ink it up. And then you come back here, say GM on Ink. Bro, don't tell me what I didn't do. I just did it. Kidding me? Either way, I transacted. I think the GM on Ink is a different one. It's a different like daily check-in thing. So you might have to do it on here instead. So GM. I think it's free on here actually. So GM. Yep. And you get the extra XP. So go ahead and do that. Bob. I'm glad these ones are a lot easier. It's just kind of simple, learning about the protocol, its functionality. And it's not too crazy, except, oh yeah, we're going to do this Pendle. Hybrid Bitcoin.Pendle, an innovative Bitcoin yield product, allowing anyone to do what whales and institutions do at scale on Ethereum and Pendle, but without any high gas fees, active management, or any bridging complexity. Additionally, these cross-chain yield positions are tokenized on BOB and minted as yield-bearing assets, or YBAs, and can be used in DeFi applications on BOB to create leveraged positions, borrow, mint, stablecoins, or other assets, etc., depending on the user's risk appetite. To learn about Hybrid Bitcoin Pendle, use Wrap Bitcoin on BOB to mint Hybrid Bitcoin.Pendle. So there we will go on that. And we do need to make the transaction. So we need to use the Wrap Bitcoin. So whatever we used, we will approve and stake our Bitcoin, or wrapped Bitcoin, I should say, and be ready to go. Yo, sweet. Transaction submitted. And let's see here. You can deposit and lock, open Hourglass, and let's just check this out. Go to app, connect our wallet, verify without referral code. I'll put one in if you'd like to use mine. You don't have to if you don't want to. It don't matter to me. But it's there if you'd like. If you do end up using it, I don't know. But let's see. Earn now. Boost points. Okay. Yeah. You can deposit some in there. But we're going to skip that. Completed that. Man, we're looking pretty good, I guess. I don't know how many we've done, but I think we've done quite a bit. Oh, we got a little more? Okay. We'll just keep on trucking. We got a few more. We're on the home stretch. Let me close these other windows because that'll be So Euler's efficient strategy tools enables users on BOB to lend and borrow Bitcoin assets in efficient markets and also loop leverage their position on Bitcoin. For example, by using their hybrid Bitcoin.Pendle to borrow more Bitcoin assets to mint and increase their position, not financial advice. Supply hybrid Bitcoin Pendle on Euler. So you probably need to do the transaction. All right, let's connect our wallet and supply this bad boy. So this is how much we have from the previous step. Oh, and you want to use as collateral as well. There we go. Unless it switch network, accept. I need to add more gas fees. Let's see. I need some Ethereums. I got no Ethereum on anywhere. I don't have enough. Oh no, that was a glitch right there. That would be cool. I'm going to send $5 over to Bob because I need more tokens. So we'll go here and we'll clear this out. We will supply this, add collateral. accept the terms, execute, and here we go. See, does that work? Yes. Now you know how to deposit into Euler and get some of their rewards, 4% on Bitcoin. Wouldn't you like an extra 4K a year or something like that? 3K just for your Bitcoin sitting there if you have a Bitcoin? All right, Gamma. So it's a non-custodial, automated, active, concentrated liquidity manager that allows users to deploy and forget their capital while ensuring that their position still earns fees from other ecosystem incentives. Swap some hybrid Pendle for wrapped Bitcoin. We'll need some wrapped Bitcoin. I'm going to sell some Ethereum for wrapped Bitcoin, and we'll check out the BOB. Okay, there we got our wrapped Bitcoin. Or do we need to? I think I need to get hybrid Bitcoin. That would be stinky. Then I'd have to swap back. Oh, yes, thank you. Okay, now we'll deposit the wrapped Bitcoin and ETH on Gamma. So thank you. I will keep that open just in case I need to swap again. Let's connect our wallet and be on our way. Switch to the BOB network and let's go with deposit right here. And okay, we have a little bit. It's taken our Ethereum, so let's put a little bit of wrapped Bitcoin in here. And you need to put the same amount of wrapped Ethereum. If you have Ethereum, it'll wrap it for you, so don't worry about getting wrapped Ethereum. And that's a nice feature that many dexes they don't incorporate, so it's cool to see. There we go. Now we've deposited into the Gamma pool, and since it's a small amount, I'll leave it in there. But if you want to take it out, you can withdraw and swap it back. But it's very nice. Yeah, reuse whatever funds you can. So yeah. All right. I think last up, actually, BOB Stake. So BOB Stake is a one-click Bitcoin staking portal that makes it easy for Bitcoin holders to unlock yield for their Bitcoin by staking. You can choose many Bitcoin yield strategies and mint any Bitcoin LST. We can continue and close this one out. But if you'd like, you can come here, connect your wallet like earlier, and stake again. But we've already done all that. So there we go. Man, that was great. So thanks for going on this deep dive of BOB with me, because I learned a lot, that's for sure. I know that we'll be talking about this on our DeFi crypto and airdrop show. So make sure to check us out on the YouTube. So yeah. And on X, follow us, go live every week. And yeah. Also, Discord link is down below. But with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Peace.